Welcome. Today I am with JBL Endurance Peak II earphones, and I'm going to show you how you can move them to the pairing mode manually. So in the most cases, when you charge your case and earphones and just simply remove them, and then you have to turn them on by lifting these two all around ear parts. Make it like that. These two parts cannot stick with the headphones. So let me just catch focus like that. So you have to just get it empty space, as you can see. And after that, when you take a look on these indicators right here, one of them start blinking on the blue and the red color. That's pretty easy. But if you have any problem with them and it's not working, you have to just put it like that. So they will be turned off, and then just turn them on. So lift these two parts. It's called soft reset. After that, for 100%, one of them will just move to the pairing mode. If you still have problem, probably you got some kind of the bug, and I can recommend you to use the product warranty and just send them back to the manufacturer. So yeah, that's all. As you can see right now, when I refresh the list, they will appear right here, so I'm able to connect with them. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.